Here's how to find a baby registry on Amazon. So it's a little bit hidden for some reason, but if you want a shortcut link, there's one in the description or pinned comment that will take you to the baby registry page. We'll get there in a different way. So there's a couple ways we can do it. One, maybe the easiest would be to go to our drop down here, and then you should see find a list or registry inside of this your lists section. If you don't see this, then there's an all tab here on the left side of Amazon on the home page, by the way. And if you click that, you'll be able to go down to programs and features and then click see all and then scroll down some more and then find gifting and registry. We click that, and then from there we can click baby registry. And so we can click on baby registry, and that will take us to this page. That's where the link in the description takes you. And so from here, we can search for registries. You can go ahead and start searching by name down here, but you can also click this find a registry tab, and it will let you do a little bit more advanced search. So you could search for the name. I'm just going to put in Smith as like a sample last name. You can even search the city, the state, the arrival month, the year, etc. Then when we click search, it's going to give us a bunch of results on the right-hand side of registries. And these are links to those registries. And so you can just simply click on one of these and it will take you to the registry that you can basically start to shop for these folks. So whoever it is you're looking for their baby registry on Amazon, just click the link down below. It'll take you right to the baby registry page, or you can kind of find your way there. And then you can just search for whomever it is that you have in mind. And that is how you can find a baby registry on Amazon.